Going to take a short tour of the new floor, starting in the kitchen. Here we are, kitchen, dining area. It's a cloudy day, so there aren't any bright shadows. That works well. So now it's a little echoey in here. It says there's no furniture. And also notice they've taken the baseboards away. The painter's going to come later and replace the baseboards. But this will give you the general idea, I think. Moved a few plants back in. You can see the randomness of the wood, even though I think some of them are repeats, but they're spaced enough apart that it won't be a problem. Fireplace area. Wood stove. Now I can go into the short hall. And there's just a bull nose on the edge of the step, and with carpet still on the steps going down. Here's the bathroom and the bedroom. The interesting thing about this floor, particular floor, is it's just laid down. It's not nailed down, it's not glued down, it's not sticky taped down or anything. It's just sitting there on the floor, but the joints are very, very precise so that it matches together, and it has to be tapped together to have a nice tight fit between the boards. Let me get down here closer. You can see that the boards are extremely tight between the boards and at the ends of the boards. Actually, it's pretty amazing the way it went together. Already, I think this pretty much completes the basic tour before furniture and before Mr. Painter comes back. That should do it.